Well guys, the 2023 Toyota 4Runner has been revealed and it's a 5th gen again, but don't let that get you discouraged because there's two awesome things to know about it. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Starting off, we have the 40th anniversary edition. So it's been 40 years since the 4Runner has been around and Toyota is celebrating this with a 40th anniversary edition. It's based on an SR5 Premium. Honestly, a little bit of a letdown because if that thing was based on a TRD off-road Premium, I may be trading that in for it, just because of the off-road gizmos and gadgets. But the SR5 is the 4Runner's #1 selling trim, so why not celebrate 40 years with the #1 selling trim of the SR5? I get that. But it's based off an SR5 Premium, only 4-wheel drive. It's gonna have the soft tech seats. It's gonna have bronze stitching on those seats, a 40th anniversary badge on the inside. As you can see, it's only one of 4,040, so a very exclusive vehicle. Coming around to the outside of this one, it's an SR5, but it has a heritage style grille, and this is color matched. So it'll be either midnight black, Barcelona red, or white. So that whole grille, it won't look like this one with the black going across. It says it's gonna be color matched. So that'd be very interesting to see the white one, especially because of those Toyota racing stripes that they got going down on this 4Runner. It looks really good. They got rid of the SR5 badging on the C-pillar and just did those Toyota racing stripes down the whole vehicle. It looks awesome. Since it's an SR5 Premium, it does also come with heated seats and a moonroof to round out that package. So it's something that's gonna be super exclusive, probably one of the last exclusive special edition vehicles for the 4Runner, for the 5th gen, because heavy rumor has the 6th gen coming out next year, but only time will tell. The second thing that we got going on with the 2023 Toyota 4Runner is the TRD Pro special exclusive color, and it's Solar Octane. So here's an edit by 4Runner Snacks. Solar Octane is officially the 2023 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro exclusive color. There were no words in the press release at all of any additional things coming to the TRD Pro, so you can imagine that this thing is just like last year's model with the same Fox shocks, sunroof, JBL sound system, the 360 camera, the whole nine with this. Basically, all the options that a 4Runner can have is there on the TRD Pro, but Solar Octane, Midnight Black Metallic, Magnetic Gray Metallic, and Super White are the 4 TRD Pro colors, with Solar Octane being that exclusive color. Guys, nothing else has really changed with the 4Runner. Keyless entry again on all models. LED lights on all models. It's an aging dinosaur, we know that, but a lot of people do enjoy the 4Runner. Same powertrain, same everything as it's really been for the last 13 years. But hey, it's reliable, right? So guys, if you're new around here, definitely consider subscribing. I will have some hands-on time with this 40th anniversary 4Runner. Hopefully the new TRD Pro in the next couple weeks, and I will be sharing that content with you guys. So definitely make sure that you subscribe. Returning subscribers, as always, I appreciate your guys' support, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.